I really think you people should find a better place to meet.
¡Disparar ya!
Is that how you treat your